I'm frying some chicken wings, and I'm gonna put them in this flour and shake them up and put them over there in that grease. I'm gonna have that for my dinner tonight as my meat. It's not a lot here, but I think 6 is enough. So I'm gonna cook this right now. I think my grease about hot enough. Drop this chicken down in here. Yeah, it's getting hot. Put them up in this bag right here. I won't burn myself. Those pieces there. Get over there. Okay. Got the flour all over my hand now. This is ready for the garbage. I need to stop putting stuff like this on the stove. I had a fire. I put a fork on the stove and there's plastic on the fork. Called a fire. And it scared me to death. I managed to put it out. I'm going to have to learn not to do that. So that's what I'm having, fried chicken wings. I got some minute rice here. I'm gonna have this right here, this rice. I'm gonna have that. And I'm gonna make me some gravy. I'm gonna put my peppers and onions in there and make me some gravy. So that's what I'm gonna have. And maybe some green vegetables. I got my chicken in this grease and it is frying really good. Got my gravy over here with peppers, onions, garlic, red pepper, green peppers, yellow peppers, all of that is in there. Salt and pepper. That should be really good along with this chicken. So I am going to cook my rice, the gravy over rice. Fried chicken and green beans and corn, or one of the two. I'm going to have that. Something quick to eat. Put the chicken down. It's getting nice and golden brown. There's that rice I said I was going to cook. And those peppers and onions over there in that gravy. Green peppers, red peppers, garlic, yellow peppers, all in there. And I decided to make it a little bit of corn. I love corn. I'll turn it down because it's cooking a little bit up too high. So this is what I'm having for a meal. And in a little bit, I'll let you see it on a plate. I got my plate all fixed up. This is good. Very delicious. I'm gonna have a dinner roll with this, but this is fine without bread at all. This is good. I'm gonna have a bite of this chicken. Nice golden brown. When I get through, all I got to wash is the fork. The plate going in the garbage. It's just a throwaway plate that I fix my food on, keep from washing dishes. Straight to the garbage. Thanks for watching, and hit the bell, subscribe. Hit that bell anyway. You don't want to miss none of my videos. This is good. I wish I could give you guys some of this. Thanks for watching.